The journey began with a clear and evocative concept: to build a residence that felt less like a rigid structure and more like an extension of a relaxed summer afternoon. The architectural vision sought to capture the essence of effortless comfort, where one could easily imagine walking around in a white linen shirt and bare feet. This guiding philosophy demanded a design that prioritized a calming ease, ensuring the home would become a sanctuary for family life. Responding thoughtfully to its surrounding context, the design team at Webster Architecture and Interiors set out to create a timeless structure. The goal was to balance an aesthetically dynamic presence with high functionality. Every line, angle, and material choice needed to serve a dual purpose, grounding the residence within its environment while establishing a distinct contemporary character. Central to this architectural narrative was the development of the front facade, a feature destined to set the tone for the entire property. The design team envisioned a dynamic exterior that utilized a simple form but achieved depth through a diverse array of materials. To tie these elements together, a consistent and muted color palette was selected, ensuring the structure felt cohesive rather than fragmented. As the structure took shape, the interaction with natural light became a defining characteristic of the exterior. The morning sun would hit the front of the house, creating a beautiful and shifting play of light across the screens, battens, and brickwork. This texturing of light and shadow gave the building a living, breathing quality that evolved throughout the day, transforming a static wall into a canvas of shifting patterns. Realizing this intricate exterior required navigating complex structural demands, particularly regarding the massive scale of the screening system. The installation called for an aluminum shutter system spanning approximately 8 meters wide and 3.5 meters tall. Managing such a massive element required significant engineering consideration to ensure it was structurally sound while still serving as a major aesthetic triumph. White batten facade, expertly executed by shades, ultimately came to define the home's external identity. It successfully merged refinement with low-maintenance practicality, acting simultaneously as a secure privacy barrier and a mechanism to control the influx of daylight. This clever architectural shield allowed the residents to feel connected to the outside world without sacrificing their sense of seclusion. A seamless relationship between the built form and the natural environment was vital to fulfilling the original brief. Landscape designer Nathan Burkett was brought in to craft an effortlessly integrated garden that complemented the architectural geometry. The resulting green spaces wrapped around the structure, blurring the lines between the bright, breezy interior zones and the tranquil outdoors. Step inside, and the narrative of light and ease continued through a carefully curated interior palette. Neutral tones and oak timber flooring were chosen specifically for their ability to naturally reflect and amplify the incoming daylight. Because the home featured a large northern orientation, managing the potentially overbearing sun became a priority, prompting the installation of sheer linen curtains to soften the glare. Architecturally, the interior relied on a central pivot point to unify the multi-level layout. A dramatic void was introduced at the main entrance, functioning beautifully as both a physical connector between the upper and lower floors and a massive light well. This structural opening effectively directed daylight deep into the core of the house, further reinforcing the connection between the indoor atmosphere and the outdoor elements. Ultimately, the success of the entire project hinged on the meticulous execution of its understated details. With such a simple and restrained palette, there was no room to hide flaws. The alignment of the sheet metal and the placement of the exterior battens had to be flawless from the very beginning. The collaboration culminated in a sophisticated home where structural purpose and elegant aesthetics coexist in perfect, timeless harmony.